Hi, Keith DeWin again, dentist from Palm Beach Gardens, to answer another question that patients often pose me. Should I have bleaching done in the dental office, or should I just go to the store and buy the various products that I can buy in the drugstore? Well, the answer is this. Our whitening in dental offices are they have much more strength, and they are much more effective with less rollback. That means becoming more yellow after doing the treatment. So my answer would be, go to your dentist's office, go to this dentist's office, and get the professional technique done, and then when you really want the wow factor before a special occasion, you can use the white strips, or you can get, if you have your trays, and keep your trays, either your dental office or our dental office can get you a little bit of the fluid that you need, the carbamide peroxide. Then you will have the wow factor.